What's good, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. I haven't vlogged in a while, actually. But I got some news for you guys. Some bad news and some good news. So let me start with the bad news first. Well, first of all, subscribe, like, share, comment. So bad news is I got rid of the M4 yesterday. So I sold it to Jeff Wimmer, I don't know how to pronounce it, in Columbus, Ohio. Yeah, sold it to them. If you want it, you can comment in the comments. Let me know if you want it or whatever. Want to go check it out? I'll let you know the address for them. And if you end up buying it, I will sell you basically everything I have. I bought for the car. Obviously at a discount, and yeah. Matter of fact, let me show you guys just in case you think I'm lying. So, as you can see, there is no car out there whatsoever. So yeah, I'm gonna be carless for the next, I'm trying to plan out how I wanna do this. I wanna be carless for like the next 6 months. And basically just, I don't go anywhere, and I work from home. So if I do need to go anywhere, I can expense my Uber or Lyft rides, or if I'm going out of state, I can expense my flights and expense my Uber and Lyft rides in state and out of state. So I'm gonna be carless for I'm trying to give it like 6 months, but we're going supercar. I'm not gonna tell you what kind of supercar I'm gonna get, but I did a poll. I did 2 polls on my Instagram, and if you see my Instagram, then you know the cars that I'm pretty interested in. Those 3 polls I did on my Instagram, those are the cars I'm considering. So we're gonna go supercar. So just stay tuned for that. Like I said, if you want to get the car, let me know, and if nobody comments about getting the car, I will post parts on Facebook Marketplace and offer up. I don't know how far I'm gonna get with that, but I'm gonna post parts up there and on Facebook Marketplace. Yeah, but let me guys know what you guys think. What should I get as my supercar? Since I know some of you guys don't follow me on Instagram, so follow me on Instagram, follow me on Snapchat. Well, I'll be on Instagram more than Snapchat, but so follow me on Instagram, which is in the description below. Shout out to my sponsors also, who also helped me throughout the process of building the M4. I wasn't even done. This is the crazy part. Ever since the accident, I was like, man, just today, I was like, man, I miss how the car used to look, like the whole wrap, the front lip before I trashed that in Virginia, with the wheels. I wasn't the biggest fan of the wheels, but it was growing on me because it was mine. Like, it was my car. I was the one putting it together. I was the one reaching out to sponsors, companies for sponsorships and stuff like that. I'll throw up some pictures too.
We are not the same. I can see you in her comments. Same girl, I'm waking up 2 in the morning with. Shorty told me I can FaceTime when I wanna. She pick up.
I worked with multiple photographers. A lot of these photographers are really good. In Dayton, I think they were from. I know Cincinnati, yeah. Columbus, yeah. Cleveland, yeah. Some even in Pennsylvania that came to the rally up in Cleveland, man. That was a dope ass rally, man. I fucking loved it. I got to meet Autovlog there. Got to, even at these Columbus car meets, I got to meet what's his name? I got to meet Will Motivation. I got to meet Shots by Zai. I linked up with my boy Ayo Whips. I've met a lot of people. I made a lot of connections through car meets, but also the way I thought about how I designed the thought process of how I came up with my rap and making it into a real thing. So like, once it became a real thing, once it got put on the car, everybody loved. I wasn't the biggest fan because I'm not the biggest attention seeker, but everybody loved the rap, and they just loved how wild it was. Because I thought about, why always put in a livery on supercars? Why not take it to a daily drivable car like that. I mean, some supercars are daily drivable, but nobody has ever really done race liveries except from the M Performance livery on a BMW. I mean, on an M car anyway. So thought about that. I was like, man, let me just do something different for the M cars, because you don't really see them being wrapped a lot, or even wrapped in liveries if they are even wrapped. So thought about that, did that, and everybody loved it. Everybody loved it. It was it's kind of like not heartbreaking, but it kind of brings me down that why did I take the car to Virginia? If I would have just left the car here, the car would still been fine. I mean, I probably would have still thought about getting rid of it, but I probably wouldn't have been so ready to get rid of it because of the accident. Which depreciated the car, obviously. But yeah, I'm ready to like settle down, save up more, because also I sold the car also for this too. Another reason why I sold the car. I also sold the car because I wanted to save more money for investments, real estate investments. I could have kept the car, yes, could have kept it, but it just made more sense to save more and spend less on the things I don't need. I don't need to drive anywhere. If I do, I have my cousin's car here, or I have Uber or Lyft, whatever. I mean, even though that's pretty expensive just to get to up the street and come back, it's still something that I can save instead of spending a monthly payment right now when I'm not really going anywhere. I'm working from home 24/7. I mean, I'm home all day, all night. I can go to the grocery store with my cousin's car, get groceries, come back, and be at home for like a week and not go out. But thought about it like that too. But like I said, I didn't really need to get rid of the car. It made more sense to save more for investments. And then once this investments go through, I have more money for the supercar. Down payment anyways. I'm not a big fan of leasing. I've never leased a car before. I've always financed or owned my car outright. So I will obviously be financing the supercar, which is probably gonna be insane. I'm probably gonna be like double to almost triple of my payments I was paying on the M4, which was, matter of fact, I'm gonna do a vlog on that. How much I was paying on my M4, how much I put down, and how much I was paying per month, and how long I financed it for. And yeah, I'll do a vlog on that, and then give you guys an idea of and my credit score and all that stuff, give you guys an idea of what to expect when you're trying to get into a car like that, or sort of that car, or what you're probably gonna need to get into a supercar. I'll definitely do a vlog on how much the financing stuff is for the supercar if I get approved, because knowing these banks, man. But yeah, other than that though, what else? Like I said, I want to do a vlog of me test driving the cars I'm interested in. So I just have to find, when I'm ready, that is, or if I find somebody who's willing to take me for a ride in their car that I'm interested in, or a dealership that's gonna allow me to drive the car without me having to finance and show them paperwork, blah blah, that I'm ready to buy. So that's that. Stay tuned for the next vlog. So the next 2 vlogs is gonna be about the payments and financing and all that stuff, financials for the M4. Second vlog, I will be doing the questions you guys asked me on Instagram. So those are the next 2 vlogs. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share, comment. See you guys in the next one.
Stuff and you know it. It's the bartender, please poet. Oh, sham on the beat. I'm a motherfucking poet. I'm a beast and I'm not afraid to show it. Goddamn, I just slide on 'em.